The Tutorials Explorer offers easy-to-use offline training videos for our Oros software solutions. Thanks to the filter function within the Tutorials Explorer, a user can quickly access the information they need. For example, let's imagine you need some help setting up NVGate for impact hammer testing. The Tutorials Explorer can be launched directly from NVGate using the Execute button on the Tools tab as shown. The comments will help you to find the most relevant video to answer the question, how to trigger analysis from the hammer. Double-click and a short video will open to provide you with the answer as you can see here. You may also appreciate being guided step by step on how to set up NVGate for your application. Each video tutorial package contains a PDF. This PDF provides a printable version of the tutorial contents and comments, as well as the information on the data used for the video. The Tutorials Explorer scans the content of the tutorial directory, enabling you to save your own files there as well. You can save PowerPoints, Excel spreadsheets, Word documents, and PDFs. These files will be searched in the same way, using the title and comments of the file's properties. All details on how to use the offline Tutorial Explorer are available on our website.